Understanding Mandolin Intonation, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's crucial for mandolin players, mandolin intonation. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your knowledge, this video will shed light on what intonation is and why it's so important for your musical journey. Let's explore together how to make your mandolin sound its best. Intonation, in the simplest terms, refers to the accuracy of the pitches produced by your instrument. When a mandolin is well intonated, it means that the notes played across the fretboard are in tune, both with themselves and in harmony with other instruments. Good intonation is the cornerstone of a pleasant musical experience, ensuring that the melodies and chords you play resonate beautifully and accurately. The mandolin, with its double strings and compact fretboard, poses unique challenges for maintaining perfect intonation. Several factors can affect it, including string age and quality. Old or low-quality strings can lose their ability to hold tune. Nut and bridge placement. These need to be precisely positioned for accurate pitch production. Fret placement and condition. Worn or improperly placed frets can lead to intonation issues. Tuning. Even slight deviations in tuning can significantly impact intonation. Understanding these challenges is the first step towards achieving better intonation on your mandolin. Improving your mandolin's intonation involves a few key steps. 1. Tuning each string precisely. Use a reliable tuner to ensure each string is exactly in tune. 2. Checking intonation at the 12th fret. Play the open string and then the note at the 12th fret. These should sound the same pitch, an octave apart. If they don't, it indicates an intonation issue. 3. Adjusting the bridge. If notes are sharp or flat, moving the bridge slightly can correct this. This is a delicate process and may require professional assistance. 4. Regular maintenance. Regularly changing strings and ensuring your mandolin is well maintained will help preserve its intonation. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of mandolin intonation for you. Remember, achieving perfect intonation is a journey that involves regular tuning, maintenance, and a keen ear. Don't be discouraged by the challenges. With patience and practice, you'll find your mandolin sounding better than ever. Thank you for watching, and happy playing!